Hi, my name is Ólafur Páll Jónsson, and I'm the Chair of Department in International Studies in Education. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit about our master's program. Well, the first question, what is International Studies in Education? Well, it's a program at the School of Education at the University of Iceland. It is an interdisciplinary approach to education that engages with global and local perspectives. The program is very much influenced by students' own knowledge, experiences, and interests. It's a program that is about how education is understood, structured, and thought about, not only in Iceland or in Europe, but around the globe. And in this program, students learn how education and learning impacts people and societies. Well, why should you choose international studies in education? Well, maybe you shouldn't. But if you are interested in education, then you should consider it. Education is a key to understanding and responding to contemporary challenges, whether local or global. And the International Studies in Education program engages you in critical analysis of local and global perspectives. The program also challenges you to apply these perspectives to critique different educational and social contexts. And it offers the opportunity to experience a diverse and vibrant educational environment, not least because we have students literally from around the globe. Well, who is the program for? Well, it is for, as we say, curious individuals that are interested in challenging their worldview. And I should emphasize this, that the program is challenging and it is very critical, and that's the underlying approach. It is for people who want to understand the critical role of education from an international perspective. The international perspective is fundamental in everything we do. And it is for those who are interested in working in diverse educational settings with diverse student groups in international schools or in other educational settings globally. Now, our students group, as I say, is highly diverse, culturally, in language, and in experience. It's not uncommon that in a class we have native languages, perhaps 10 or 20 or so. Now, what do you need to do to apply to the program and get into the program? Well, it's a master's program, so you need an undergraduate degree, but it can be a Bachelor of Education degree, Bachelor of Arts degree, or a Bachelor of Science degree. You need a first-class grade in your undergraduate program. That is, in Iceland, it is a 7.25 on the 10-point system. You need good proficiency in English, which means that you need to score 7 on the TOEFL or 6.5 on the IELTS tests. Now, along with the application, you should send a statement of purpose. You should list 2 people who can give you references. And, we want to emphasize that previous experience in education is not necessary. Our students come from very different previous programs, but what unites them is their interest in education and the role of education in contemporary societies, and of course the international perspective. Now, how is the program structured? Well, it is a 2-year master's program, which means that it is 120 ECTS units. It is cross or interdisciplinary, which means that we take in perspectives from different fields of studies. 50 units, or 50 ECTS, are required courses, which includes theory and methodology, etc. 30 ECTS a methodology and electives. So students have quite a space for electing courses that fit their own interests. And then the program ends with a 40 ECTS self-designed research project that is directed by one of our faculty members. And in this self-designed research project, the students select themselves, what they want to research and how they want to approach it, of course, with the guidance of our faculty. Now, the final project, so if we say a little bit more about that, it is an independent research project designed and conducted by the students. In the fall, the student writes a research proposal, which is 10 ECTS, and in the spring, the student completes the remaining 30 ECTS, gathering data, analyzing data, and writing the thesis and presenting it to other students in the School of Education. Well, what can you do with a degree in international studies in education? Well, the short answer is that there is no end to what you can do. The degree gives you a variety of skills, whether research skills, communicative skills, pedagogical skills, etc. It also, helps you to broaden your horizon and engage with different issues and problems. Now, our students, many of them work in the education sector, and not only in Iceland, but around the world. Now, some of our students have gone to work in international education organizations, such as UNESCO. Others have worked for other kinds of organizations, such as CARE, SAVE, or Oxfam. Now, the program is also a perfect stepping stone to continue your studies, whether in Iceland or abroad. And of course, any work in international schools is something that our students often continue to do. Well, if you're interested, don't hesitate to contact us. You can follow the chat on the university website. You can send us email at mvs@hi.is. You can call us. We'll pick up the phone. Check out our homepage, or what I should recommend is check out the Department of International Studies in Education handbook, which is actually a project that was directed and carried out by our students in cooperation with our faculty. So if you want to apply, here is the address, and well, I should just like to conclude by saying that the International Studies in Education is a university program with the whole world as a focus. Thank you very much.